Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Technic Monsters, and today I'm going to tell you more about HTML coding. But I will continue where I stopped in my previous HTML coding video. Don't worry, the link of this video is given in the description, and make sure you watch that video carefully if you're watching first time so that your concept is clear. So guys, before I start the tutorial, I request you to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon as well so that you can get notified about our new videos, and also watch this video till the end so that your concept is clear. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have opened my HTML coding on a notepad which I teached you in my previous HTML video. So first of all, I erase body and HTML closing tag, and today in this video I will teach you 7 more tags, and they are image, link, picture link, background color, convert web page into a website, strong and emphasize tag. So guys, first of all, I will apply bold on my name, Ali Joyan, by using strong tag, which is smaller than strong, strong, greater than sorry guys. Now I will write closing tag of strong, which is smaller than strong plus greater than. Now I want to increase the size of hello world this hello world by using emphasize tag, which is smaller than em greater than. Now I will write emphasize closing tag, which is smaller than em plus greater than. I think I should insert picture by using image tag, which is smaller than img space src, which and src stands for scratch, is equal to double quotation mark. Now I will go to Chrome that open. And search hello world. Enter. Go to images. go to images and then click on a picture to choose. Now double tap. Now right click the picture and choose copy image address. Now go to your notepad and paste the image address. Then write double quotation mark plus smaller than. Now write smaller than b or slash greater than, which is the line break tag. Then on the next line write smaller than body space style is equal to double quotation mark background mid dash color color color. Then now after writing this, then write any color, for example golden. After that write double quotation mark and smaller than double quotation mark smaller than. Then leave one line and write link tag, which is smaller than a space ref sref is equal to double quotation mark. Then go to file and click on open your chip and check any of your file. For example, I will choose HTML, or I don't know what the name of the site. I will minimize it, and I think like I should use my this HTML. Then I will go to notepad and write and click on open, and then I will go to notepad and after double quotation mark I will write ali.html, which is my file name. Then after that double quotation mark and smaller than. Now write any word, for example website quick. For example, I will write quick web opening quick web opening. Then write now write smaller than slash greater than. Then after that save now, and after that go to file and save it and minimize your notepad and click on your and open your. Then as you can see, oh wow, this hello world picture. Then as you can see, like the size of it has been increased, and the emphasize and the strong tag, as you can see here, is dark. Alijan is being dark because it's an emphasize tag. Oh, strong tag, and in this one I use strong emphasize tag, and in this one I'll use the picture tag, image tag, and this is the link. Now I think quick web opening. Let me try click. When I click on this link, oh wow, this opened. Wow, that's amazing. Then it's in. I hope you like. This is my first website. I hope you like it. Click the link given below to open the following. Then I said, I think I want to open Yahoo. Then I click on Yahoo. Then directly it will open the Yahoo in front of you, as you can see. Then I go back and do whatever I want. So guys, this is how you made a website. Then wow, it finally worked, guys. So hopefully guys you learn HTML very well. Then like, share, comment, subscribe, and click on bell icon as well. And now the requirement of my channel is 1000+ subscribers. Of the Technic Monsters requirement is 1000+ subscribers, so that we can introduce you guys our very own app. So thank you guys, you learned very well, and thank you guys for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Tags are in the description below. Bye. Allah Hafiz.